Hey guys, welcome back to Infamous. Today we're going to be playing this cool game called Nightmare Rat Sewers. I want to say it's like a Five Nights at Freddy's game, but on rolbox, and it's about rats, and we're in the sewers. But in the description of the game, it says we applied for a new job for 1 week, basically 7 days. So we're gonna be staying in the sewers for 7 days with three rats. And then down there, and then in the description, it also said, what else it said? Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm here with my little sister named Kenny. Hello. Uh, yeah, if y'all can't see my face in the camera, I hope it actually fixes up during the video. I don't know what's going on with my camera, but I can't see myself. Y'all probably can't even see me anyway because it's dark in the room. We're trying to keep that spooky thing. But, y'all only can see me once. That's if y'all can't see me. But, yeah. We're gonna play. This is our first time playing. Yeah, so we're gonna do a new game. You click late. No, it don't even matter. Yeah, I don't. But I'm gonna show all my doors. We can move. Edit. Oh, sorry, color guys. Liar. Go on camera now. No, can't do this. Okay. Down now. Down the other half. Bye. So we got a vent camera. We got a vent. What? Click here. We can look in the vents. Thank God. Cam 25. Cam oh no. Oh no. What? No. Then they crawled into the sewers. I said, camera, look in yours. Cam 8. Go. He ain't there. Oh God. How generator on stay on. Oh God, I'm going down. I'm going back. Oh, you gotta reset it. Go right here, right here. The cameras. Wait. Where is yours? Oh, you gotta click on there. Press that. Reset generator. Make sure like. Oh God, oh God. 40. I don't know how to play this anymore. Okay, I'm only at 47. Envy, check your thing so to look. How do I? Go to, click it. Oh. 70. Oh no. Oh no. Just look at mine. Mine's at 43. They said I wanted me to worry about like closing anything. Okay, the raccoon is still there. We said, oh, I gotta stay on it. No, they look. Ooh. And Cam 1 and 2 is the moving. Oh God, oh God. I'm gonna pick him down right now. Now he's gone. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Okay. I got another problem. You said generator. Okay.
You're right. Oh my god.
You was right.
You said,
Oh god.
please reset, please reset,
What?
please reset. He right there. So,
He was right by my
exit
door. Okay, I have to check my things. I'm gonna die
Wait.
now.
The vent. The vent.
I totally forgot about the vent. Vent cameras. Nothing. 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 Oh god, that was.
I'm scared of who was near me.
Oh god, I have a problem. Reset generator. Oh, if we can't even start the game. If we please. I'm gonna restart the game.
No, we gotta get the jump scare in. I had a whole procedure. Oh, nice friends. We died on the first night.
Actually, you did.
You did too, look.
I really like that.
I want to see his react.
It's on quiet.
Well, that's the king.
Right, right. But he was just in this show. 3, 2, 1.
This song is he playing on the
Okay, I think it is. Okay, my brother got his first jump scare. 9. Number 8. No. I'm gonna mute my phone.
Oh, you stay.
No. Maybe. Should we shut the doors? But I'm already wasting power. Even I didn't even shut the doors yet. Still gotta check on the team. Still there. Team 5. Team 6. These two cams. Still there. Still there. Vent cams. Which one?
I'm losing power.
Oh, I have to check my door.
So you should see him in cam 8 in the vent area. Him should be down there.
In the vent area?
Yeah, like he should be right there. If he's not there, I don't know where he at.
I'm gonna just check the other cam, see if the team's still there.
7 and cam 16
Okay, I'm gonna see if he moved.
and 9. 9, 9, 9.
Wait, how many?
Oh wait, no, he's supposed to be there.
Oh, that's a side cam. I'm gonna shut my doors. Somebody just moved. Checking the cam. Oh god, he's moving.
9,
And we check on vet cam 8.
8.
Vet cam 8. Vent
Oh,
8. Oh, set generator.
as long as you don't get that. Okay.
Set generator.
Go to vent camera, go to vent camera, go to vent camera.
Come on, come on. He gotta be there. He's still there.
Alright, as long as he don't get to cam 4, or cam 23?
It'll
Well,
be
no.
like,
No.
the
Cam
king,
4.
the king,
As long as he'll get a cam 4 and cam 20.
Okay, that's the main.
He's moving.
He's moving.
Alright, what about the other two? Tell me about
Okay, they're good. They're good. They're good.
Tell me about the other two.
Okay,
King still sitting?
Yes, the king is still sitting, and the dude is still where he was before. Oh, God.
Oh, he moved. He moved.
Who moved?
The rat.
Which one?
The blue one. The one with the chef hat on.
The chef hat?
Chef Boyardee. I'm sorry.
Which cam?
I don't know. Yes.
He's right there. He's on cam 21. No vent cams. No vent cams.
I'm in the vent cams. What you talking about?
He's on 21.
Wait, vent cam 21. What 20? Okay. Oh, okay. Oops. Why the generator? I hate the generator. So
me
bad.
too. I hate this so much.
Okay.
I'm gonna check on the king. Why is he still sitting there?
Oh, I see him. He's right there. So he's 21.
Is he right by the door?
Yeah, he by the door.
I
feel like the shelf is the only.
Oh God! I feel like the chef is the only one moving.
About to die.
Check your power. How come yours looks like mine? How's that over?
I knew he was coming. I didn't know which door. I didn't know because I see him in the corner of my camera. And I was like, oh shoot, because he close, like he was right there. And I was like,
he was
oh,
on cam 1.
Yeah, he was like right there. He was like in the corner because you was him in the corner of the screen. And I was like, dang, where he at? I thought it was the door on the other side. I thought it was the door on this side.
Oh God!
But it's the door on this side. You gotta get the door on that side.
He gone.
A lock. He might be now.
He gone.
The paper rat's gone. It depends.
Why are these just?
Because I thought only one of them was gonna move that night. Nope. The chef, the king don't move yet. We don't have to worry about the king.
He gone.
It's only the Chef Boyardee and the mustache one. Yeah.
I thought that was only 3.
There is 3.
I need the baby.
Get back in your seat.
I need the baby. No, you don't.
I thought this was a scary kid. Dang. We're gonna end it right here. I'm gonna make up
Okay.